This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Tellaro 20J is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately see your passenger seating with a removable table. Across from this is your kitchen, with a sink, a 2-burner gas cooktop, a microwave, and a mini fridge. Moving into the back, you'll find your sofa with another removable table. This space also converts into a 74 by 71 inch sleeping area. Here, you also have a flat screen TV. Adjacent to this is your wet bath. Your coach is built on the Ram ProMaster chassis. It has a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine with 280 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque. Above everything, you'll find the pop-top sleeping space. Outside, your coach is equipped with a rear backup camera. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.